We're here at Ulting in Essex, and we're getting ready for our Doe Show, which takes place on the 6th, 7th and 8th of February. My name's Graham Parker, I'm the sales director for Ernest Doe, and I'm in the construction zone for the show, and all this kit behind you, you can come and see. So with inflation on its way down, interest rates I'm sure are going to be coming down very soon, and the house building sector just on the verge of booming again, the Doe Show is the perfect time for you to come and look at all the construction machinery you're going to need in the future. We're just doing the pricing for the show. We've got some great offers. We've got a lot of machines that are 2023 plated that need to go because all our 24 plated stock is on its way. So there will be bargains to be had at our Doe Show. So all the suppliers that we represent will have their experts at our show, so you can come and talk to them about the kit you need. Hyundai, Bomag, Thwaites, Atlas Copco, Epiroc and many more. They'll all be here for you to talk to. So come and see us at the Doe Show, 6th, 7th and 8th of February, here at Ulting in Essex. We look forward to seeing you.